Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Ford Ranger horn. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. This crucial step prevents any accidental electrical issues while you work. Next, gather your tools, including a wrench, a screwdriver, and your new horn. Knowing where the horn is located, typically behind the grille or bumper, will save you time. Once you're ready, you'll need to access the horn. This might involve removing a few components, such as the front grille or a section of the bumper cover, depending on your Ranger model. Use your wrench to unbolt the old horn from its mounting bracket. Be gentle as you disconnect the electrical connector. It often has a small tab you need to press. Now it's time to install your new horn. First, connect the electrical connector to the new horn, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, mount the new horn onto the bracket using the bolt you removed earlier. Make sure it's securely fastened and oriented correctly. A loose horn can vibrate and cause issues, so double-check its stability. With the new horn installed, it's time for the final steps. Reconnect the negative battery terminal to restore power to your truck. Then, give the horn a quick test to ensure it's working as expected. Finally, carefully reassemble any components you removed, such as the grille or bumper cover, making sure all fasteners are tight. You've successfully changed your horn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.